Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and scaffolding so you can act immediately. Create a Next.js project and add framer motion with npm or yarn. This gives you motion primitives. Once done, decide TypeScript versus JavaScript and install types if you prefer type safety. Then open Pages or App Directory and import motion from framer motion. This first step prepares the runtime and imports, so the actual animations plug into Next's routing and SSR behavior without surprises. You now build motion components and define clear behaviors. This is where the how and why meet. Wrap UI elements with motion. Asterisk to enable animation props, then create variants to reuse initial, animate, and exit states. This keeps logic declarative. Once done, apply transition options like duration and ease to control pacing. Use stagger children for lists so animations feel natural. Make sure to test in both development and production builds, because hydration differences can change timing. You finish by integrating animations into Next lifecycle so they behave consistently. Wrap page content with animate presence in app or app/layout to animate route transitions, and prefer animation controls when you need programmatic starts or to avoid SSR flicker. Once done, hydrate on the client for element-specific motion and tune exit timings to prevent abrupt cuts. If things go wrong, the key tip is to force client-side rendering for the problematic component to isolate SSR hydration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.